Hey guys, welcome to this video, and in this video we are playing Pewdiepie 3. Pewdiepie 3. It's a Pewdiepie game. Move, okay. So I played a little bit, and I got pretty ragey. It's a pretty ragey game. Oh my gosh. Jump. Jump. Up, oop. Like, it's if you've heard of Cat Mario, then this is just like Cat Mario. So I've got past most of these obstacle courses, because I was playing with it a little bit. And I got real mad. Alright, I got super mad because I couldn't do this. I looked up a walkthrough, but I didn't look through the entire thing because that would be cheating. I just looked up to the part that I couldn't get past, which was this part. Not this part, but the part where you see that flower. That part. Of course there's spikes up there. Why wouldn't there be spikes up there? So I've actually never seen that part before because I've always would just hug that wall, like keep pressing forward, and then it would push me over there. That's all I've done. So I can jump over here. Alright, there, that's better. So what you do, just keep going straight. Dang it, I didn't jump. What you're supposed to do is you're supposed to jump on that wall, like on top of it. And if you go past it, then it will trigger that guy. Not the guy, but trigger the wall to go higher. Dang it! Dang it! Stressful. It's okay, Tucker. You'll get through it. It's just like life. Go! And go! And go! I want to play Cat Mario, but I've already played Cat Mario. So it would be really easy for me to get past it. So I played around with it, and I didn't die as many times as I would want to, or get as ragey as I wanted to in that. Like, because who doesn't see some kid yelling at the screen because it's too hard? So I tried another game, and it was Pewdiepie. Nope. Oh man, I fell. You can still get past it, but it's a little bit harder. So jump up there, jump up, jump. No! Alright, come on. And then you can jump up here past that. Dang it! Yes! Alright. Jump up there, jump up there, jump up there. You're good. Whoa! What? I almost made it to the checkpoint! Are you serious? You're gonna do that to old Tucker Odell? Jump, 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 jump. Huh. What? Are you serious? Oh my goodness! Cat Mario didn't do that. Ooh, buddy. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. Jump. Over there. Jump. Jump up there. Jump up there. Hear that? Jump. No. Calm yourself, Tucker. Alright, I know what to do now. So go here, go here, go here, go here. Do this. Jump up there. Jump up there, jump up there, jump up there. Keep going. Jump. Jump up there. Trigger that. And try and through this, and down, over. Okay, we're good. Be aware, dangerous animal, eating duck cat. Can I jump on it? Okay. So these are probably, can't jump on it, okay. I'm very scared right now. I am very scared. Oh, oh, oh! Oh! I don't know what I did. Oh! I saw that one. Alright. Looks like a lion mixed with something else, not a duck. Jump here, then jump over there. So how do you get up there? Jump, jump. Maybe I can jump on his head. Secret? Secret! Okay, I found a secret. I wonder if I can click that button. If I can chase him, if I can get him out. What? I hit him! Alright, my game's been kind of laggy right now. He can fall down there. Alright, okay, I know what to do now. I'm a trained cat to fight these duck killers. Alright, let's go. Down here is the duck. He wants me out of his room, so I'd get out of his room. Alright. Jump! 1 second. Alright, bye. I'm back, guys. Sorry about that. Alright, let's get this done with. Alright, so I need to get him out of here. Did he see me? Alright, he's out, he's out, he's out. Oh. Ah! The lag! Is there a way I can, like, make the lag less laggy? So I can get this actually done? Alright. Ragey, ragey, ragey. I'm so great, ragey. I want to get this level over with. Alright. Alright. Okay. Then jump! Jump! Oh! Okay, I'm gonna have to jump onto that cube then. Come here, ducky. Alright, jump on the cube, and I did. Oh my goodness. Gonna scream. Let's go, let's go. Alright. Jump there. What? What? Shoot. I saw it. Okay, we're good. Okay, we're good. We're good. We can do this. Alright, get him out of here. Get me up there. Jump. I was supposed to trigger that to make him fall. I don't know how to make him fall now. Oh my goodness. Alright guys, I think I'm just gonna end this here, and I'm probably not gonna make a series on this unless, like, I actually start getting, like, if I get, like, at least, like, 3 likes or something, because I'm kind of desperate for it. That's not really that desperate, but there's not that many people who like this. So, if you like, it's hard to get a gamer notice, alright? But, I'll just keep going and see how it goes. But, I might not make a series on this if people that actually watch me do, but if you don't, then just don't leave a like. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, like, and thank you. Bye!